Rosabella Moringa Electrolyte Powder Review. Is it legit or a scam? So Rosabella is a company selling supplements, and their Moringa or powder products are one of the most famous ones. They market these products aimed at the boosting energy, hydration, and even wellness. So let's talk about the pros of this product. Some users report increases in energy, reduced fatigue, and improved feeling of well-being. The electrolyte powder seems to have a reasonable respectable mineral as well. It is also sugar-free or low-sugar formulation in some versions, and it can be affordable for the serving cost compared to some premium electrolyte supplements. The cons is though, the company has a lot of poor reviews on Trustpilot. The marketing seems aggressive for the ads and some claims it may be exaggerated, and some users report no noticeable benefit after using the product for a while. So overall, although it is somewhere in the middle, it's not an outright proven scam, but also not something with strong scientific evidence. It likely works for some people in delivering hydration and mild energy boost, but for some people, it is and don't expect much result.